Many people underestimate how often small spending decisions accumulate unnoticed over a week. Studies show that nearly 60% of adults make daily purchases without conscious thought. Understanding this pattern is the first step toward observing habits that influence overall financial awareness and personal routines effectively.
It is common to lose track of routine expenses like coffee, snacks, or commuting costs. Research indicates almost half of adults cannot recall their spending from just the previous day. Recognizing these gaps in awareness can help highlight where adjustments may improve long-term decision-making consistency.
Before tracking money consciously, many people enjoy a sense of freedom when spending without limits. This casual approach often feels convenient and stress-free, but may create small accumulations of unnoticed overspending. People often underestimate how minor habitual choices compound into measurable patterns over time consistently.
Daily life without structured budgeting can feel flexible, allowing quick decisions without reflection. Surveys suggest that about 55% of adults report making impulse purchases weekly. This loose awareness creates a perception of control while subtly shaping routines that influence future choices and behavior patterns gradually. Once individuals begin monitoring their money, daily decisions require more thought and adjustment. This structured approach introduces responsibility and awareness, prompting reconsideration of previous habits. People report feeling more deliberate about timing and necessity, which can increase mental clarity and reduce unplanned stress in ordinary routines. Budgeting encourages calm reflection before spending, helping to prioritize essential over non-essential activities. About 65% of adults who track daily habits notice improvements in decision-making efficiency within a few weeks. Over time, small adjustments become automatic, creating a more balanced approach to daily choices and financial awareness.
Common mistakes include underestimating recurring small expenses and ignoring emerging patterns in spending behavior. Many individuals overestimate their memory accuracy for routine transactions, leading to repeated oversights. Recognizing these tendencies allows gradual correction and reinforcement of mindful daily practices without relying on external tools or complex systems.
Consciously observing decisions and adjusting habits gradually increases awareness and control while maintaining a calm perspective, which can be applied consistently to everyday routines and allows a thoughtful approach to small choices, ultimately supporting a balanced relationship with money and daily personal management for long-term effectiveness.
This video is for educational purposes only